Με ένα βίντεο, ο Αμερικανός πρόεδρος ανακοίνωσε ότι βρέθηκε θετικός στον κορωνοϊό για δεύτερη φορά.
Hey folks, Τζο Μπάιντεν here. Tested positive this morning. Going to be working from home for the next couple of days. And feeling fine. Everything's good. But Command and I got a lot of work to do.
Σύμφωνα με τους γιατρούς, οι περιπτώσεις που εκδηλώνεται εκ νέου θετικότητα είναι συχνές σε ασθενείς που νοσούν με COVID και στους οποίους χορηγείται θεραπεία με το χάπι Paxlovid.
I think it's probably more common than we currently understand. And quite honestly, a rebound after Paxlovid happened to me. It happened to Tony Fauci, Dr. Fauci. And so it wasn't too surprising.
Εκτός από την εύθραυστη υγεία του, ο Αμερικανός πρόεδρος έχει να διαχειριστεί και τις δημοσκοπήσεις, που δείχνουν ότι μεγάλη μερίδα των ψηφοφόρων του γυρίζει την πλάτη.
A new CNN poll finds 75% of Democratic voters want the party to nominate someone other than President Joe Biden in the 2024 election.
Right now, only 31% say yes, President Biden has the right priority. 68% say no.
Πολλοί από τους απογοητευμένους ψηφοφόρους μίλησαν στο CNN.
I'm feeling disappointed because we have seen very little of the agenda that Joe Biden ran on actually come to fruition.
I think the problem that Joe Biden is having is not that he's trying to pander too far to the progressives or too far to more liberals. It's that he's playing it too safe in the middle.
How many of you are very happy with how his presidency is going? Okay, that's a 0.